Hello everyone, welcome to maths class. Children, today we will do chapter 2, addition and subtraction. Children, you have done addition and subtraction of 4 to 5 digit numbers in your previous class. So, here we will do addition and subtraction of 6 to 7 digit numbers. Let's start. Here you can see on the board like add 50 lakh 80,189 and 32 lakh 41,687. We need to add both the numbers. So our first step is we will write a place value table in short. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. And then we arrange the numbers in it. It's very easy. 50 lakh 80,189 and then 32 lakh 41,687. Children, in this question both the numbers are having same places. That means maximum place is 10 lakh. And then we add both the numbers. Since you know the addition very well, so I do not explain it thoroughly. We'll just see it like this only. 9 and 7, 16, 1 carry. 18 and 16 plus 1, 17, 1 carry. 6 and 1, 7 and 8, 1. 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry. 2 and 1, 3. Similarly, 5 plus 3, 8. So we got 83 lakh 21,876. So this is our answer. Now we are going to write this in number sentence. What is number sentence? If we need to write it, we will write both the numbers including their sign, whatever operation we did, addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, we will write the sign over there. So this number plus this number gives you this answer, including answer. So number sentence is if we write both the numbers, whatever operation here we did addition. So we write this number with addition and it gives us the answer 83 lakh 21,876. Children, you can see another sum on the board. Here this time we are having this question in which different places, different numbers are written. So we start with it. So first number is 63 lakh 92,781 plus 28 plus single digit 7 plus 30,004. Again, children, we will write a place value table in short. In such type of problems, writing this place value table is very helpful. So first of all, we write this place value table like I wrote on the board, and then I insert values in this. See how. Highest value is here, it is 60. So here we can see this will come here and here, and accordingly all the number will get adjusted. Then it is right 20, then it is 28. That means highest value is of tens place. 28. Then we write single digit on ones place. Single digit will come on ones place. And then the last value is 30,000. 30,000 will fall down here. 30,004. So we write the digits in this way and we add it simply as we always add. After addition, I find the number 64 lakh 22,820. So this is my answer after addition. So here, what is the most important step? Here the most important step was to write numbers in proper manner, that is called placing. If placing goes wrong, definitely you will not get correct answer. So the best way is write this place value table Then arrange the numbers in it according to their places. 28 will come on tens place only. Single digit 7 will come here only. And here the highest value is 3, which is on 10,000 place. So we'll write just here only. Here. 10,000. We'll write down here only. And then we add, as you know how we do addition. And if we want to write this in number sentence, we will write all the four numbers like 63,92,781 plus 28 plus 7 plus 30,004 is equal to 64,22,820. This is your answer. This is your number sentence also. I hope everybody understood this. Children, you have done addition. You know all these things. So I hope you can do easily with large numbers also. Now children, let's move further with word problems. Now children, we do continue with word problems of addition. Children, word problems, you are having previous knowledge of word problems. Again, I am repeating my words that here we are dealing with large numbers only. Rest the concept is same as you have studied in your previous class. Let's see. I am having one question on the board. There are 96,72,890 men, 80,04,680 women and 7,95,000 children in a city. What is its population? So children, first of all, you need to understand the problem what is given. You need to read the sum again and again, and you need to find how you will go. Addition, word problems of addition are very easy, very simple. So we start. Normally in word problems of addition, we can find the words like total, in all, together. In such type of words, we can find that in question the problem, the number is related, the problem is related to addition. Let's see how we solve it. Number of men. Children, please make statements very correctly. It should be short and it should be very short. Don't write long sentences in word problem, in statements. So, number of men, it is 96,72,890. Number of women, 80,04,680. Number of children, 7,95,000. So, we need to find its total population. So, obviously, we need to add all these numbers. Let's add. Children, here we added all the numbers. We wrote all the numbers. Previously, we have written it in the statement form. Now, we add all these numbers, and after doing addition, it is number of men, number of women, number of children. And we'll do addition of all the numbers. Finally, we'll get this number. Okay? After, when you get this number, this is your answer to your problem. So we write answer statement also. So they were asking what is its population. We will write the population of city is dash dash. That means 1,84,72,570. So this is the way to do word problems of addition. First of all, you understand the problem, what is given, and then you need to write statements. After that, do addition of the numbers, and finally write the answer statement. And children, if number statement is asked, then please write number sentence also.